everyone, welcome back to Sunday Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, breaking news, Mampintsha'S mom has passed away. Barely a month after her famous son's death, Mampintsha'S mom, Zamanguni Gumede, died after a short illness. She died at the age of 64 on Sunday night at Wentworth Hospital. The sad news of her sudden death was confirmed to Daily Sun by Mampintsha'S sister Pinky Gumede. She said that she had visited her during the day. When I left her, she seemed to be fine. She was even telling us jokes and we were all laughing. So when I left, she was in high spirits and I really thought she was getting better, said Pinky. But this was not the case because hours later, she was summoned back to Wentworth Hospital. I was about to sleep when I received a call from the hospital. I was told to rush to her bedside because she wanted to see us. When I got there, she was already in trips. She was surrounded by doctors and nurses trying to assist her, she explained. Now that she's gone, I can see she wanted to bid farewell to us. She told me she was old and she was leaving. She asked if everyone was around and I said yes. She wanted to see Usponji, Mampintsha'S son, and I told her he was not around. I could see the sadness in her eyes, but she did not say anything. She gave us her blessings and we spent a bit of time with her. Then we left. At about 10 p.m., I received a call informing me that she is no more. She said, this is a double pain for her. I'm definitely not coping. It's a double sword for me. I lost two important people within a space of 3 weeks. But what makes things even harder is that we were not financially prepared for this. As far as policies were concerned, Mampintsha'S took care of everything. We were still trying to get things in order, but I guess the time was not on our side, said Pinky. Guys, yeah, this is sad news. This is bad news for Mampintsha'S family, especially Pinky, because uye nomuntu osondelena kakhulu besondela kakhulu no Mampintsha aphinde futhi ahlale noma wabo. But guys, I think family will be able to help her ngama funeral arrangement, or ubebs might be able to help ngama funeral arrangement, because at the end of the day uyena umakoti wakhe lo mama lo umakoti wakwakhe kahle kahle. But guys, anyway, yeah, that's all I have for today. To leave your comment below and let's comfort the family. Bye.